Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Spain is moving left. We'll explore the key factors contributing to this significant political shift, from economic pressures to evolving social values. Understanding these dynamics offers insight into the nation's current trajectory and future direction. This trend is not sudden, but a culmination of various influences shaping the country's political landscape. Stay tuned to uncover the multifaceted reasons behind this important development. Economic challenges have significantly propelled Spain's leftward movement. Following periods of financial strain, many citizens experienced increased economic inequality and high unemployment, particularly among younger generations. This discontent with austerity measures and traditional economic policies created fertile ground for parties promising greater social protections and wealth redistribution. Voters sought alternatives that prioritized public services and a more equitable economic system. Beyond economics, profound social and cultural shifts are driving Spain's political direction. There's a growing embrace of progressive values, such as gender equality and LGBTQ+ rights, which align strongly with left-wing agendas. Younger generations, in particular, are increasingly drawn to newer political forces that champion these causes. Additionally, the dynamics of regional nationalisms, especially in areas like Catalonia and the Basque Country, add another layer of complexity to Spain's evolving political identity. Finally, we'll consider the future implications of this leftward trend on Spain's governance and society, examining how these changes might shape policy and daily life. The emergence of new left-wing parties has significantly altered the political landscape, moving away from a traditional two-party system towards more complex coalition governments. This shift reflects a complex interplay of factors, including demographic changes and the emergence of new political voices. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This ongoing evolution continues to redefine Spain's political identity and its place in Europe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.